Jennifer Petroselli with Petroselli Homes Realty Group. Welcome to 4583 Darrow Court in Fremont's highly sought-after Glenmoor neighborhood. This stunning home offers 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, plus a beautiful, fully permitted ADU, complete with its own kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Let's head on in and take a look. Thank you so much for joining me today on this exclusive tour. If you have any questions or want to schedule a private showing, contact me today. See you soon.